Well, my name is Attorney Oliver Brown. Some people know me by Downtown Oliver Brown. There's a whole other story behind that. But I was the attorney for the lady that had a prior conviction, and she was very popular in the neighborhood, and she found a loophole within the election code to where she could run for office. And of course, some of the larger Democrat donors, although they claim to be justice reform, they didn't really want to see justice reform where she could at least be on city council. Long story short, we litigated that for about 9 months. It was an election contest similar to what Judge Jones is going through right now. And we won all the way up to the Texas Supreme Court, back down, and it kept her on the ballot. And then after that election challenge, the legislator went and changed the law. There's a part in the election code that says, hey, if there's a contest, say that you think that maybe the ballots weren't counted or too many ballots were counted because they were illegal, something of that nature, that your challenger or anyone, any person that was running for office could actually challenge. We filed what's called an anti-slap challenge, basically saying, hey, you're violating Judge Jones's constitutional rights to freedom of association, freedom of speech, by making him have to defend the actions of the county. I'm not here to get into the validity of the other side's argument. What I'm saying is that this should not be a cost that has to be borne by anyone that runs for office if the county makes a mistake. The county needs to be added to this lawsuit if in fact you have a valid claim. I've looked into the underlying facts in this race. All the numbers check out, so even factually they're incorrect. Can we determine who really won this election? Yeah, we absolutely can. His military ballots and things were counted, which put him over the edge, and it was a tight race. And let's not bring everything to court to try to win an election. I can tell all of Judge Jones' supporters, factually, he won this election fair and square, and it was a close run. But we have a fundamental disagreements on the underlying facts for why this election challenge is going forward. Judge Jones does represent what we need in criminal justice reform. It's just having someone that keeps it an even playing field. Allow the state to do their job and allow the defense attorneys to do their job. And then wherever the facts may be, that's what the facts are going to be. Whoever this LLC that they set up to run this attack at, they only attacked him. And then they tried to use the voice of a black man. And then you hear people on conservative radio trying to use, stereotypical mockery of African Americans. And so I've never seen that with any judge running. All it was, attacking him. And he still pulled it off. So it's definitely a different level. A lot of people don't know, because Judge Jones is a pretty private person, but that's what a judge is supposed to be. So a lot of people don't really get to see a personal side of them, and I don't think that's a bad thing. And so that their decisions are not influenced by politics. And Judge Jones, that's exactly what he has. He's the type of man that is focused on, I come to work, do my job, make my rulings, then I'm going home and I'm hanging out with my kids and worried about their upbringing like everyone else. But what you see, what you get. If you want someone that's going to be fair and balanced, that's me, and take it or leave it. I would say there's two excellent ways to support Judge Jones. Obviously, donate and go to his website. But the second way is to clear up some of the misinformation. He's not down at the courthouse banging a gavel, letting every criminal out of jail like the advertisement tried to make it.